Hello all, good morning. I am Sudarshan Doli and today we are going to discuss about Unit 1 of Digital Techniques. So the unit number 1 here is Number System and Codes. The weightage for unit number 1 is 8 marks. This subject is a digital technique where the subject code is 22320. This subject is for second year Electronics and Telecommunication department as well as computer department. So, before discussing the details about number system and codes, we are going to first understand why we are going to learn the number system. So, this subject is related to the computer technology, and as you all know, computer understands binary language. So, first of all, let me tell you what is binary language. Binary language is nothing but which is made up of only two valid numbers 0 and 1. So as you can see clearly, I have written binary is a number system which has only two valid numbers 0 and 1. The word binary, in the word binary, the bi means by 2. So in binary number system the bi means 2. So two valid numbers are 0 and 1. Let me tell you why two numbers are being selected here. I mean why the binary number system is made up of only two numbers. So there is a brief historical discussion about this is as the computer is a digital system, it is made up of digital circuit which only works on binary language. I repeat, computer is a digital system which is made up of digital circuits and which understands only binary language. The reason behind the computer to understand the binary language, that is which is made up of 0 and 1, is computer hardware is made up of either diode, transistors or MOSFETs. The hardware, that is motherboard, the RAM, the ROM, all the digital circuits is being designed by using the elements such as diode, transistors and MOSFET. And the diode, transistors and MOSFETs have or operates on one of the property, that is switching property. So diodes, transistors or FET, these all elements operate on switching property. Now, as you all know, switch has only two states, that is on and off. So, as this diode, transistor and FET operates on switching property, so the operating condition will be in only two different states, that is 0 and 1. So, we refer the on state as 1 state and off state as a 0 state. So, whenever these elements, either the diode, the transistor and the MOSFET, whenever they are turned on, we say it is a high state, that is logic 1, binary 1. Whenever the diodes, transistors or FET remains off, we say that they are in a low state, that is off state, that is binary 0. So as they operate on switching property, so there will be only two possible outcomes, and that is why the number system is made up of only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. And this is why we say the number system as a binary number system. So I again briefly inform you that the computer system is made up of digital circuits. Digital circuits operates on binary language. Binary language is made up of zeros and ones, and this has only two valid numbers, zeros and ones, only because of the reason that they are made up of the switching elements such as diode, transistors and MOSFET. Let me share you one information. The Intel company has designed a microprocessor, that is 8085, around in 1960s and 70s, which was commercially very popular in those days, and that microprocessor consists of 6600 transistors on it. But in today's world, today's microprocessor consists of more than 1 lakh transistors on a single chip. So this is where you can understand the importance of this transistors, which is nothing but the switching element, which is used to design the microprocessors. So due to the nanotechnologies, the microprocessor these days have more and more elements on it, and more preferred element is the transistors family, which is a switching element. So this was all about the introduction about the binary or the binary language, or why the computer understands the binary language. Now let me discuss or tell you about the number system which we are discussing from the school days. In the schools we have learned the numbers, that is beginning from 0, 1, 2 up to 9. Single digit highest number is 9. Later on we continued the number and we studied the combination of two numbers, that is 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, and proceeded up to 99. So 2-digit highest number we learned in the school was 99. Similarly 3-digit combination, 4-digit combination, 5-digit combinations we have discussed. So you are very well used to the numbers which you have learnt in the school, and the numbers 0 to 9, a single digit 0 to 9 is actually a decimal number system. So in day-to-day life, the bank account numbers, the Aadhaar number, the PAN number, the passwords, or the billing systems in the commercial markets, whatever this we deal today in our day-to-day life, all of the numbers are under the decimal number system. So we are all very much used to decimal number system, but the computer, that is digital system, is only understanding the binary language. Now there is a discussion that how to convert a decimal number system into binary number system, and why there is a need to convert a decimal number system into binary number system. Now why we are going to learn the conversion of number system? See, as I have already told you, the digital systems such as mobiles, computers, laptops, all these digital systems understand only binary language, but we are all used to the decimal number systems.